Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be preparing some mandazis. I am going to take you through them. Number one, what we need is our flour. So what I've used here is mandazi flour. I don't need the yeast and baking flour, so it's ready. Number two, we are going to need some warm milk, a cup, some melted butter or margarine, whatever you have, some sugar, cardamom, and an egg. So let's begin. So onto our first step, we're going to add our sugar. This is 2 cups of flour. Then add in your warm milk, bit by bit. So at this point, you add in your egg. So we are going to add in our butter and cardamom, a quarter of it. You mix it in the butter, then you add it. So our dough is ready. It's soft, and as you can see, it's not sticking on my hands, just like how we made our chapati. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to leave a link up. You can watch later. So we are going to cover our dough using oil, but we're not going to cover it directly. We're going to cover on top for like 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, we are going to roll out our dough. So as you are doing this, we are going to prepare our oil so that it can heat fast. So we are going to test if our oil is ready. So we are going to dip a small star into it. If it floats, it's ready, but as you can see, it's not yet ready. So we are going to wait for like other 3 minutes. They're smelling yummy, right? Yes. So this is what we are looking for, this color. So this gold brown color. So our mandazis are ready. This is how they look from the inside. They're really soft. Thank you for watching.